The 117 of Brian McCain. Andrew Moore. Taylor Ken. 128 of Chris Cabinet. The 270 of Seth Sibley. The 32 of Chucky Stevie. And the 414 of Seth Lucian. So we're going to take another racing right now on the track. Now here's the thing. I went and talked to a lot of these riders. Most of them said, I don't have a number. I said, how am I going to tell if you are on the track? He said, oh, you'll figure it out. But you know, it's 270 and that speedway right there.
Yeah, that's first place. I'm going to get last. That's going to get 196.
There's number 4, Bobby Wallace. Number 6. Somewhere, I just don't know what his number is. All these riders come to us tonight from the Church of Dirt. And we have a white flag out right now. For the 414 of Seth Lucian is in our lead. White flag is out for Seth Lucian. He's in the green, neon green and black. He's